Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Urea Kit for urease GLDH UV method. In the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Urea Kit for urease GLDH UV method. This is the overall top angle. I'm going to see the front angle. The front angle we can see the product name Urea Kit for urease GLDH UV method. In the bottom we can see the reference number of this product URE0102. This kit contains two reagents. The reagent 1 4 into 35 ml, reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date of this kit. This reagent kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. You should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this front view. Now we can see the other angles. On this side we can see the blank space. On the back we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details. This is the overall view of this product. I'm going for summary. Today we can see about Mindray Urea. This kit contains two reagents, one 4 into 35 ml, the another one 2 into 18 ml. Thank you.